Okay, so this is today's breakdown. Um, so well, first of all, we swapped out sell side liquidity. We took out sell side liquidity on both pairs, and we tapped into a 1 hour fair value gap. When we tapped into that 1 hour fair value gap, I went down to the 1 minute time frame. I saw a 1 minute inverse fair value gap plus a 1 minute CISD, which is the change in state of delivery. Then after that, I literally took my buy trade just right here. But the sad thing right now is I actually didn't hold my trade to this area right here. This is what I did. So my first TP was at this first 5 minute fair value gap right there. At this 5 minute fair value gap right here. So this was what my first take profit. And then my second take profit was at this high. Okay. But today, I don't know. Today I closed out on the second because I actually entered with two lots right there. I entered with two contracts. So I took out one contract right here as soon as price tapped into this 5 minute fair value gap. And then the second contract was taken out by me manually. Why? Because we did have an SMT. I don't know, but it was as if we're actually going to respect it. Because first of all, we tapped into this 5 minute fair value gap. We made an SMT. I saw this little push down. I'm saying little, but it was actually like a whole white candle push down. So I was thinking, oh, maybe price actually wants to go down. So while price was just pushing, as price pushed down, started rejecting a little bit. I was like, nah, I'm closing my trade. Little did I know, little did I know there was a little fair value gap right here. So with that fair value gap, I would have been a bit more confident in this trade that price might just tap into this fair value gap and keep pushing. But because we had this 5 minute fair value gap and we already made this SMT, I was scared. Yeah, it's an SMT because around 10 a.m. we took out this high, but around 10 a.m. on XPX 500 we did not take out this highs. So I was thinking, oh, maybe we might actually start pushing to the downside. Not just that, because we came into the day bearish, Mike. We've been bearish, so I was thinking, oh, maybe we just have a little small retrace to the upside and then continue being bearish. Little did I know, price would have just hit my TP if I was patient. But on a normal day, though, I would have taken out on this trade because of that SMT. Because you guys have seen some of my videos, I enter with SMTs with confirmations and also close with SMTs. But if I had seen this fair value gap, I would have most likely closed on the trade. Because right now we do, yeah, I would have closed down on the trade. But yeah, that was basically today's trade. We made about 50 today. The account is now on 700, sorry. The account is now on 700. We've had this week has actually been good. On Monday we lost about $3. Yeah, yesterday we made about 30 what? Oh yeah, sorry. On Monday we lost about $3. Yesterday we made about $45, and then today we made about $50 today, and the account is officially at $720. Yeah, but it's still a demo account though. So yeah, that's basically today's trade. Yeah, it's fine though. We'll come back tomorrow and trade again. Yeah, so that's basically today's trade, and I'll see you guys next time.